Hi, it's Linda again. Today we're going to talk about Windows Timeline and what it does and what it's for. I never really paid attention to it, but I did notice this little icon on my computer screen. I just thought, well, I don't have time to check that out, but it is the Windows Timeline. That came in the Windows 10 April update. It was called the Spring Creators Update. If you have that icon, then you most likely have it, but a quick way to check on what your system has. You can click on your window, click there, type in about your PC. You can scroll down and it tells you what edition of Windows you have and what version, and also your build. So that's kind of nice. So while we're here, why don't we go ahead and look at our timeline settings. So I'm going to type up here timeline, and I'm going to click right here for my activity and my privacy settings. The default that I had was on let Windows collect my activities from this PC. This was not defaulted on. If you click that, then Windows will sync your activities for up to 30 days and it'll sync it to the cloud. That means it will be available to you on any of your computers where you sign in with your account. And I didn't want to do that. I don't really know where it's going in the cloud, and it's just not that important to me. So I'm not doing it. But that's the big push for using Timeline and syncing to the cloud. So you could be using, signed into your Windows account on your phone, on a work PC, on a home PC. And when you have them all linked together, syncing, then you would see all of your windows from all of your devices. And that way, if you came home, you were working on something at work and you came home and you wanted to finish it up, you would see it right there. You could click on that window and get right back to work. And that is the big time-saving feature that they are touting about this. It's where you come to adjust your settings. Now let's go take a look at my timeline. So I'm going to just come over here. You'll see it says Task View. And I click that, and here are all the windows that I have open. I do have a dual monitor setup, but I've moved most of my stuff over here to this desktop just to see, so you can see the multiple windows. You can right click on them and it'll snap it to the left or right and open it up if you want to. You could move it to a new desktop, which that is up there. You could show it on all desktops, which I would think that would anyway if you chose the 30-day syncing, but they do have that there. And that says show windows from this app on all desktops, or you can close the window if you don't want it there. Over here on the right, there is a Now button. So this is what I've been doing, pretty much now, but you can scroll down. And if I had a whole lot of stuff, and I really don't because my computer updated just the other day, then I could keep scrolling down. And there's also, if you have multiple days, it will, if you don't have it synced for up to 30 days, I think I have noticed it will keep maybe 4 or 5 days on here. I don't remember for sure. But when I do, I notice there's a little thing over here that says search, and you can expand it and see what you were doing at a specific hour or something like that. But it's not showing here right now. Here are some tips, and you can have that on or off depending on what you want to do with that. And there is also a search function up here. I do have a Word document and an Excel document up, and when I was trying to do a search before I started this video and type in Excel, it says it can't find it. But when I was doing this on my laptop and I typed in Word, it pulled up all of my Word documents that I was working on. I'm not sure what's going on with this search feature here, but hopefully yours will load for you, because that's the time-saving aspect of it, because you can type in what you were working on and it should find it for you right away. And if you want to go quickly to one, you just click on it and it'll open it up. So those are the features of Timeline, and I hope that will help you out and you can go into your settings and fix it the way you want it. I hope you will subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much.